My name is Dilbahadur Chhetri. I am the chef of the Tunisian embassy. Today I am going to make the Tunisian octopus salad. Tunisia, they use a lot of seafood, so this octopus also one of the famous salad in Tunisia.
It looks very fresh, and I have the feeling while eating this very fresh octopus salad as if I'm on the border of the Mediterranean Sea.
The flavor of harissa really it gives nice flavor to this salad.
Now I'm going to introduce the ingredients for the octopus salad. This is the octopus. You need to cut like small size cubes. I have some diced tomatoes. You need to cut cubes, and some parsley. And you need the Tunisian olive oil, virgin olive oil. Some onion, red or white, it doesn't matter, just onion. And we need the lemon juice, just 1 tablespoon, and we need the harissa. This is the homemade Tunisian harissa, and it's very easy to make it. I will show you after how to make it, this one. First things, if you're not going immediately serve the salad, please don't make the dressing immediately. Now I'm going to make the ingredients, this like octopus here. You put the tomatoes, diced tomatoes, and you can put the parsley, onion. Just mix well this one. I'm not using too much salt because octopus already there is some salt. In Japanese, when they, up to you, if you want to strong salt, you can add. And when you mix like this, then now you add your harissa. I'm going to make the little bit spicy. And this is the 100% homemade harissa. In Tunisian, they use a lot of harissa, so it's nice to. And I'm going to put the lemon juice. Almost a tablespoon, depend on your quantity, how much your octopus. Just you put some black pepper. And the end, you put some olive oil. So you can see the color now with the harissa. This is the important. Now you need to serve immediately. Before tomato give the water and not crunchy. So if you serve now, it will be crunchy. So just when mix like this, you can taste how much salt, or if you want to strong salt, less salt, or you want to more harissa or strong lemon, adjust it in your taste. This is the way how to make a Tunisian octopus salad. So just we'll put it in our serving plate. You can make easy in the house, not need too much ingredients, just octopus and parsley you can find easily in Japan.
Looks nice. I would suggest Tunisian white wine. Its name is Kilipia. It's made 100% of Chardonnay. It's very refreshing. It smells very well, and it matches very well with seafood, like today dish octopus salad, and it matches also very well with Japanese sushi and many other Japanese dishes. So please enjoy.
It's very fresh. We can eat it in hot summer. Healthy, simple, and we can enjoy it really. We cannot make this octopus salad without harissa and Tunisian olive oil.
Let me also introduce Tunisian olive oil. As you might know, Tunisia is it is the second producer and exporter of olive oil all over the world. We are producing very good and healthy olive oil, and I hope you will have the chance to taste that. Thank you very much.
It's healthy and it's very simple to make it, so please don't hesitate to make it at home.